Hi, so we're going to be talking about what makes you attractive by looks. So stay tuned. Hi, my name is Sindy V. King. I'm a creator of Calling My King. I help transform women to create lasting love through Vedic astrology, neuroscience, and transactional analysis so that she becomes the queen of love. We're going to be looking at specifically about what makes you look attractive. So there's many factors are involved in this, and it depends on what culture and where you are in the country wise and what is attractive in today's society besides social media. What makes you attractive is, I want to say, it's your heart, but really, at the end of the day, looks does matter. First impression does matter. Interview makes a big difference as well. So when we look at an attraction, it has to do with your face feature. Down below, I'll link a study based on face feature. You can dive in about rounder face, circle face, oval face, heart-shaped face. Makes a difference when it comes to attraction to the opposite sex. What makes an attractive person in today's society, and we looked at celebrities as well. But I want to enhance what you look great today in society and not so much about what is trending today. Does that make sense? Sometimes having an updated look will make you more attractive. I think it's so important to experiment with your looks and the type of people that you're attracting to. The way that you look today is going to be your external world, what you attract in today. So if something that you're attracting out there, and I always love switching up looks. I'm a big believer about switching up your looks. I look totally different in a lot of my videos, and I know that there's a different audience who will accept me the way how I look, and those are the type of audience I want to attract. So it's the same sort of component as well. If you're going to look classy and elegant, you're going to attract a totally different type of man. The bad boys are not really attracted to the big classy, but there's a look that you can achieve for yourself. This is a few tips that I can help you along the way when it comes to look. I have created a video about feeling secure within your internal world. Yes, plastic surgery is out there, and I'm not against it. I'm not supporting it, I guess, as well. I want to enhance what you have today and how to make things a little bit more modern. You can always go to a hairdresser. I know my look is in most of my video. The reason why, because I want to change it up. I want to see what kind of energy it brings to me. I changed my hair color. I have different type of shade of blondes as well. This is a totally different look, but again, this is a different vibe of look as well. So I want to make sure that you're in the right spot by, number one, getting your hair done professionally and changing it up. And sometimes you can experiment through wigs. I know that that's really in style right now. You can always go to the wig store and find out what can look good for you. Or if there's a look that you want to achieve, through Pinterest is a great way as well, and style as well. So you can totally be the rock look or the casual look, but have some basic essential to start off with. If you'd like me to make a video about wardrobe, I'm happy to do so. Just leave a comment down below so that it reminds me that I need to make a wardrobe to make a lookbook for you, and that will be, just remember that lookbooks are essentially for the individual, but I want to custom for you. You can always go to your department store. I know things are slightly opening up now. And you can hire a personal stylist as well. And that is huge. If you have the fundings to do it, I would totally recommend hiring a stylist. The reason why you hire a stylist to help out, to weed out the whole shopping experience in the sense of buying things that not matching, and buying stuff that you're never going to wear, where you're going to wear it once, and buying the quality of the material. They would totally understand about the quality, where it's being made, if you're actually economically friendly. Things like that makes a huge factor. You can always have a stable piece with that. But that is really ideal. You want to make sure that you're enhancing the quality that you have within yourself. I want you to take a piece of paper right now. I'm going to pause here for a second, or you can just pause the video. I want you to go ahead and write down the features that you love about your body, your face. Let's go start with from your face. What are the features that you like about your face? Those are the things that I want to enhance in that area. We're not going to focus on what you don't like, okay? We want to focus on what's really great about your face feature. It could be your lips, it could be your ears, it could be your nose, whatever it could be. Those are the things that we want to draw attention to. And you can accessorize those areas, or you can contour those areas ideally. If you're someone more petite, you can dress clothing accordingly. And like I said, go to the department store. They'll have somebody who is a stylist and loves to dress and help people to find items that really fit for your body, that you feel beautiful regardless. I'm all about the internal work that's already been done, and external is you're just matching it up to help you style in that way. So that's really what you want to enhance. And then let's work on the body. What feature of your body that you find, whatever, it could be your shoulders, it could be your knees, it could be your legs, it could be your toes, so whatever it might be. We want to focus on those areas that you want to enhance. Really important. If you're a shoe person, guess what? You're going to be enhancing what you wear on your foot most of the time. That's what you want to spend money towards too. That's what makes you attractive. Those are the things that really draw those attentions, and you won't have to fish for a compliment because you're already enhancing those areas about your features in this area. So feel free to binge watch all my videos on YouTube here. Just remember, I do have Q&As on my VIP at YouTube here. So definitely join me there so that I can answer any of your questions that you might have. And if you're brave enough about sharing your story about even any transformation that you had from your hair to your color, and just changing it up completely and just seeing what kind of attractions that you get. Is it a negative or is it a positive? I want to hear the good and bad. It doesn't matter. I want to hear your story. This channel is all about specifically gearing towards you, and you make the requests and I make the videos. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Like I said, if there's a will, there is a way. All right, bye now.
Look, if you're serious about being fearless in love and ready to be treated like a queen, links is down below to book a time. I got over 100 videos on YouTube, and I post new videos every week. So make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You get notified when new videos goes live. If your friend is actually stuck in love, share and like my video. I do take requests on topics and answer your burning question about your relationship. So just leave a comment down below. Otherwise, see you in the next video.